Now you are?
Alright, we got another one for you.
Roadmasters.
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 Alright, here we go. Alright, Tom, hold the camera on him. Ready?
This is a test of the silicon sound system. Please disengage all equalization media. Let all is flow naturally. All test data will be 8 cycles. Steady for 360 cycles. 9 to 10 cycles. Test will begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Those fuckers are done.
It was tough as smoke. It went in to protect.
Look at that, look at that.
Take that bitch out.
Fucked up the receiver, dude.
No, dude, you just gotta turn it off.
I mean,
Oh, they smell like shit. Oh,
how
that is
do I
the
stop
worst
it?
smell, boy.
Oh my god. Oh, how do I turn this off?
Oh, fuck. Oh.
Alright, we're recording.
Alright, they're still alive.
We blew one. Right one's on. We're gonna see how far we can push them.
Alright, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. He's done. Protect.
The stuff's not done.
You think?
Yeah, we're still going.
How do I stop this shit?
Hold on.
Oh, we're still going?
He's still fucking alive. He's a little
The
bastard.
sub is still alive. Try to stop.
Subs aren't alive.
I'm gonna turn up the bass on the equalizer for him. I want to kill his ass. Hold on. I'm gonna wall plug it real quick.
Wall plug it?
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Oh, fuck.
Which one's still alive?
I think this, my side.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, but after that.
I know it does smell bad.
Absolute ass.
Dude, where is that plug? Shit. I know I had a plug around for
Man,
both
it
speakers.
stinks. Absolute ass.
Give me this camera. Put it on the little mid.
Is it recording?
It's the wall socket.
Yeah, I want to see his ass fucking blow up. You ready? No, it's that one over there.
That one. Is it still going?
I don't know. I think it's cooking.
If it makes a noise, that means it's alright. Oh. Slowly fades away.
We should see smoke or something.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, baby. I think so.
heard a pop. Let it go. Let it fucking fry. Jesus. Pop. There goes the weasel. There goes the fucking smoke everywhere. Woo.
That shit's fucking ugly.
Smells like ass in here. Shit can't be good for you. Ugh.